Alright people, today we're going to take a look at Joe Rogan's watch collection. Let's go. First of all, that photo is shocking, but big W for the G-Shock. Very unique looking Seiko dive watch, only 2,500 of these were released worldwide. A grail watch for many, this in my opinion is Omega's most iconic timepiece, no doubt about it. This is a remake of the Super Ocean released in the 1950s. I think this is a very stunning piece, especially with that mesh bracelet. I've always been curious about this Panerai. It's got a sandwich dial, vintage lume, and it's 45mm. So perfect for those of you with big wrists. Joe's also got a Panerai Luminor. That's definitely an acquired taste. This watch is not for me. One of the greatest watches in the history of horology. The Submariner no date. What more can I say? Just an OG watch. Seamaster 007 edition. This was worn by Daniel Craig in the No Time to Die movie. I think it's stunning. If I had the money, I would 100% buy this. Love it. I've always liked this watch, the James Cameron Sea Dweller. If you're planning to go 3,900 meters into the ocean, this watch will be very useful. This is a really nice watch, Daytona in white gold with a grey dial and red sub-dials. I'd never seen this model before until now. I gotta say, it is a classy watch.